it's time to cloud up. Let's test your Azure Virtual Networking skills. Question 1. Azure Virtual Networks provide which primary feature? The answer is isolation of resources, as Azure Virtual Networks allow resource isolation and secure communication between virtual machines. Question 2. What is the purpose of Azure VPN Gateway? The answer is to connect on-premises networks to Azure, as Azure VPN Gateway is used to establish secure connections between on-premises networks and Azure. Question 3. Which Azure feature allows two virtual networks to communicate securely? The answer is virtual network peering, as Azure Virtual Network Peering enables secure communication between two Azure virtual networks. Question 4. How are Azure subnets used within a virtual network? The answer is to divide the virtual network into smaller segments, as subnets break a virtual network into smaller, manageable sections, each with specific routing rules. Question 5. What does Azure DNS provide for Azure Virtual Networks? The answer is name resolution for resources, as Azure DNS resolves domain names for resources within Azure, enabling network resource access. Question 6. Which feature of Azure ensures dedicated private connections to Azure? The answer is ExpressRoute, as ExpressRoute provides dedicated private connections to Azure for enhanced performance and security. Question 7. How does Azure Virtual Network Peering improve network performance? The answer is by enabling low-latency connections, as peering allows direct, low-latency communication between virtual networks without using public internet. Question 8. Which protocol is typically used for VPN gateway connections in Azure? The answer is IPsec, as Azure VPN Gateway primarily uses IPsec to secure VPN connections between networks. Question 9. Which Azure service is used to set up a connection between Azure and an on-premises environment? The answer is Azure VPN Gateway, as Azure VPN Gateway is used to securely link an on-premises network with Azure. Question 10. What is the main purpose of the Azure ExpressRoute service? The answer is to create dedicated private connections to Azure, as ExpressRoute provides private, high-performance connections to Azure, bypassing the public internet. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, skillr.com.